Look at that beautiful shimmer and shine on this dark piece of curly myrtlewood. Hi, welcome to WB Fine Woodworking. I'm Don. If you're like me and use a lot of walnut in your work or other dark woods, sometimes trying to mark them with a pencil is difficult, especially if you're using, like I do a lot, a mechanical pencil. So I found a solution for you. The solution I found is a white pencil often used by quilters in marking fabrics that they use for their quilts. I found that the white line is easy to follow when I use tools like the bandsaw. This is a cleat for the holder for one of the dead blow mallets that I made. For this cut, I wanted to stop the bandsaw at a particular point. Using the white pencil helped me really see that on the bandsaw. When I move over to the spindle sander, the white line is also helpful there. I usually take the whole white line, or at least most of it, when I sand on the spindle sander. I've also found the white pencil is good for marking parts so that I can keep track of them. This is the head of one of my dead blow mallets. I'm sure that other white pencils work just fine. I just found that this Quilter's Choice that I found on Amazon one day works really great. It is pretty easy to sharpen. If you have another white pencil that you like to use and have a link to Amazon or someplace else, please leave it in the description below. I'm sure that other people, including me, will like to see what you're using when you mark up your dark woods. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up down below. Leave any questions or comments that you have. And thank you all very much for watching.